Hey curl friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we even get into this video, I wanted to say thank you all so much for 6K subs. That's a big achievement and we're going to keep working our way up, and I just really love you guys and thank you all so much for the support. So today I am back with another video. So to start this video off, I'm going to be using the Lush Love Your Curls. This is their styler. I already washed and conditioned with their shampoo and conditioner, and it did really good. It was super moisturizing, didn't strip my hair. So now I'm going to be going in with the styler. So just so you all know what I'm doing today, I will be using my hair paint wax from my own collection. So if you guys want to support me, just go check it out. It's Splash Hair Official. Right now we are currently out of the red and the purple, but we will be restocking as soon as possible. So today I'm going to be using a different color. I'm going to be going with green. Green is so different to me because you don't really see a lot of people with green hair, especially green curly hair, because like green hair to most people is just, it's basically just like not a common color. Like most people go for reds, purples, blues. No one ever is really like, oh, I want to try green. So today I was like, let me try green. I want to do something different. And I have my nails green. Like green is just my color right now, you know? So basically I am raking the wax through my hair, and then I'm also using praying hands method just to get the color on there as much as I would like. And with this hair paint wax, to get the color that you would like, you basically just keep applying until you feel like you have got the color that you wanted. Then you can go back and add some water just to make sure it's all the way smooth in and it looks really good. So I'm just going to continue to apply the color, and I will be back when it's fully applied. Now that the paint is fully applied, I'm just going in the front and doing some finger curls just to get a more defined curl, because like you all know, I love my curls to be more defined in the front. So for the back of your hair, you want to make sure you're also applying the paint to the back, because sometimes I'll look in the mirror and I'm like missed a whole spot. So to do that, just flip it to both sides, apply more paint, and just make sure it's mixed in well. So now I'm going in with my white hair paint, and I'm going to be making like an ombre effect with the green. So on the bottom it's going to be like a light green, and on the top is dark, of course, because my hair is dark. Another thing is that the hair paint will turn out different on different hair colors. So like if your hair is blonde, of course it will be light green. If your hair is dark like mine, it'll be dark green. So don't ever go into it expecting it to look exactly like mine. It just really depends on your hair color. But you guys, I really love my hair color. This green turned out so cute, and I can't wait for you all to see the dry results. Also, all the links to the hair paint wax will be down below. Also, make sure to use my discount code, which is just my name, Aubriana, and it will give you a percentage off. So make sure to go check that out. And now we are here, and here are my dry results. My hair looks so cute. This green is literally so cute. Like I want to mix it in with maybe some blue and green, make another ombre effect with different colors, because I'm really feeling this green. I've got a ton of compliments on it, because like a lot of people say, wow, that's so different. I can't believe you really have your hair green, which is not really green, because this dye is temporary. That is the best thing about these hair paint waxes. You can rinse it right out. The thing is, when your hair first dries, you do get like a mini cast over it. So to get rid of that cast, all you need to do is scrunch oil into your hair and fluff and scrunch, and it comes right out. And your hair is going to look bomb. And you guys, I did a middle part today and I'm loving it. So make sure you all subscribe, like, and comment, and make sure you all check out my other videos if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for the support, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.